Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my social media planner. This one is called A New Day and it was an 18-month planner from the Happy Planner. It is a dashboard layout and I have pulled quite a few sticker books this time around to play with, and I can't wait to create the spread with you guys. I wanted something fun and summery and whimsical, so here we go. As I'm picking out stickers, I wanted to say thank you if you are already subscribed to my channel. I am so appreciative of that. I hope you enjoy the spread, and if you are brand new, welcome. I hope you like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, we are starting with my Rung girls. This is the summer. Last Monday, more summer for sure. That's what I would like. Okay, so I'm just pulling out some stickers that are really pretty. These are from the Live Love Posh. I figured that I'll do like this whole tropical spread with the monstera leaves, but also some cacti. Look how pretty this is. So I'm looking through some everyday, Rang Everyday, the old one, to see if there's any stickers that I can pull from there and see what I can use. Okay, I'm gonna use this big cacti right on top and see how that looks. So I'll add it to Wednesday and cover it up. I don't think that's gonna be that big of a deal. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna add another one of those cacti right there, and I was thinking of adding this blue one, but I'm not sure if I will. Let's see. If it doesn't cover too much, then that's fine, but it was, so I am moving it into another section of the plan. Look how cute these are. Okay. Yep, there we go. Okay, so we're gonna be adding some boxes. So I'm just looking for the ones that correspond to colors. And they have some summer beautiful girls. I really want to keep this more of like a green and a pink spread, and I think that will look so pretty if I do that purples, pinks, and greens. I don't want to introduce other colors into the spread because I think it will be a little too much and chaotic. Okay, I'm gonna add this really quick. Mermaid of Duty. This adds the monstera leaves onto the other side of this spread. Okay, and now I'm just covering up those little prompts. So we have today, to do, and remember. So this spread is so bright and happy. It's making me so happy looking at it. Those are the best spreads when you look at it and it just makes you happy. And I really want to add this one because how fun is this? This is like a combination of everything here. She has the monstera leaves swimsuit and she's on a cacti floaty. So I'll write down each of these sections on top of it. So these are videos to edit. This will be my IG posts. This will be my YouTube posts. And I think, let me see. The only thing I'm missing is something in between, like in the focus area underneath that big horizontal sticker. It kind of looks like it's missing something, right? And maybe somewhere like on the top something as well. So let's see if I can add a few things and make it fun and beautiful, because that's what I'm here to do. Oh, this pink one might actually work pretty well. Friends and Adventure. Yeah, I think that one works okay. And then I need to add something to the top right there. I'm gonna add this one. I'm going to take my magic white pen, which is the Uni-Ball Signa white gel pen, and remove that line so it doesn't slice her head in half. So once I remove that line, I'll be able to put this little girl down. Okay, I think we are all set. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for joining me and have a great week. Bye.